I want to show you guys how to use a steam cleaner on a carpet, especially getting up some stains like coffee or chocolate or even pet messes. Right here, this little area our dog threw up apparently, and I guess was due to allergies, but we're going to clean this up. I have used a cleaner on it previously, but there was just a good amount of it, and it was hard to get everything up. And with the steam cleaner, you can use different attachments. I'm going to use this large attachment right here, and this just clips on like this. And we're going to turn the machine on. It usually takes the machine maybe 10 minutes to warm up, get heated up, and you'll know it's ready when you see the steam actually coming from the attachment head. We've got some other random stains. I'm really not sure what all this is. One tip, though, you're going to want to do is vacuum before you do this, just so you won't be steam cleaning and it's like hair and it's not actually a stain in the carpet. So I'm starting here, steam cleaning. This is probably chocolate or coffee. I'm not really sure on these small stains. And it's going to take a little bit to go over all these stains. You're going to want to go in a crosshatch type pattern. I'm going back and forth to start off, but in a minute I'm going to kind of go at a different angle and just make sure I get all the different fibrils of the carpet, making sure I heat those up really well. And I am putting quite a bit of pressure down with this, and I'm not just, lifting it off the carpet, but I am pressing down with a good amount of effort. There is a lock button usually on these steam cleaners where you can just press the lock button to the left or right instead of have to pressing and holding those down. Now you can kind of see the stain is lightening up a little bit, and the stain is lightening up off the carpet and pressing onto the actual blue mat here, which will wash afterwards. Now I am going in this crosshatch pattern, and don't worry guys, I will be putting the steam cleaner in the description if you do want to pick this one up. And unfortunately, I did not vacuum. I didn't take my own advice here, but that's going to help. You can see some hair moving around. This is the Vevor steam cleaner, but you can really use any steam cleaner. Now check this out, guys. I was working on this for about 5 minutes. I didn't want to put all that in the video, but this looks a lot better. These stains are gone. You can see this one little stain here. I'm going to show you how to get that out if there's like stubborn leftover stains. Now, to get stains like this, you can use different attachments. Like this is a little scrubbing attachment. They have one even smaller, but this is what I call the flamethrower tool. I really like this for like stubborn stains or crevices. Now I could use the little scrubbing tool, but I'm going to show you how this works. Now I'm going to go ahead and press this up, and you can also lock it so you don't have to keep holding this down. But check this out, guys. Look how much power you're getting because the steam is actually going through a smaller orifice here. So it's going supercharged kind of at this one little area, not all around. And I am just kind of attacking this one. I think it was like a coffee or chocolate stain, and I'm really trying to get at it here. But you can even see in the video, I'm not even scrubbing it yet, and it's been blasted away. You can't really see it. But what I'm going to do is just kind of take a, this little blue cloth that I was using previously, or you can use a new microfiber cloth and just clean this up. And as you can see, that stain has really disappeared. Now with this attachment, I would use this as a last resort probably, unless you're really trying to get in crevices or areas you can't reach. And now this is that small tool I use, but there's different kinds of attachments. They generally come with all these steam cleaning kits. And what you're going to start off with is the larger ones and kind of move down to the smaller ones for the more stubborn stains like I talked about. Now this is a small steel brush. I rarely use this. You probably wouldn't want to use that on carpet. This one you can use on carpet, but this is for really tough stains. If you have like hardened stains, you can use that one. Now I have attached this product down in the comments, so you can go in the comments and the description, so go ahead and check this out. And you can use those spray cleaners, but a lot of times, sometimes there's still going to be things left over, and you can use this type of steam cleaner to clean it up.